The Sleipner MIDI 203 windlass are one of the most compact windlasses on the market for boats up to 25 feet. The fully rotational bracket provides an installation flexibility that allows installations in boats that previously could not fit a windlass. The windlass can be installed underneath the deck, on a bulkhead or on the transom. Just ensure you have enough internal height for the rope. The controlled free fall function allows for fast anchoring. Unlike chain, the lead rope operates with barely no noise at all. The MIDI 203 comes with some smart features such as auto stop at anchor rinsing position. With one more click on the control panel or the remote control, the windlass will gently ease the anchor into its final resting position. A remote control provides onboard freedom and can be combined with both bow and stern thruster control as well. Visit our website for more detailed information.